Our next concept is that comparison of two workers' rate. If a person A is n times as good workman as another person B, then complete time by A is equal to 1 by n. And after any time, A's work divided by B's work, that is equal to n. Our next concept is that chain rule. Hence, from the chain rule, we can make the following relationship. First one is that relationship between men and work. That implies more men work. That implies can do more work. Second, less men can do less work. Second, relationship between work and time. Here, more work takes more time. Second case, less work takes less time. Third, we define about relationship between men and time. More men can do in less time. Less men can do in more time. So, let's try few sample questions. First question is that Dhoni and Raina can do a work in 12 days. Raina alone can do it in 28 days. In how many days can Dhoni alone finish the work? Option A, 16 days. Option B, 21 days. Option C, 18 days. Option D, 24 days. Here, if T is equal to 12, N is equal to 28, then required time, that is equal to T into N divided by N minus T. So that is equal to 28 into 12 divided by 28 minus 12. So that is 21 days. So our answer is option B, 21 days. Our next question is that A can do a work in 12 days. B works 60% more than A. Then in how many days B alone will finish this work? Option A, 9 days. Option B, 8.5 days. Option C, 7.5 days. Option D, 8 days. Here, if we move on to our answer, A's 1 day's work, that is equal to 1 by 12. And B is 60% more fast than A. Hence, B's 1 day's work is equal to 1.6 into 1 by 12. So that is equal to 2 divided by 15. And B can finish alone in, that is equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by 15. So that is equal to 15 by 2. So that is 7.5 days. So option C is the correct answer. Our next question is that if 3 men or 4 women can complete a work in 43 days, then in how many days 7 men and 5 women can complete the same work? Option A, 12 days. Option B, 18 days. Option C, 16 days. Option D, 10 days. By formula, T is equal to T1 by P by X plus Q by Y. So that is T is equal to 43 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 4. So that is equal to 12 days. So our correct answer is option A, 12 days. Our next question is that if 4 men reap 40 acres in 30 days, how many acres will 80 men reap in 12 days? Option A, 57 acres. Option B, 64 acres. Option C, 76 acres. Option D, 72 acres. By formula, N1 into D1 divided by W1, that is equal to N2 into D2 divided by W2. So that is equal to 4 into 13 divided by 14, that is equal to 18 into 12 divided by W2. So W2 is equal to 72 acres. Our next question is that A can do a work in 15 days, B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is option A, 1 by 4, option B, 1 by 10, option C, 7 by 15, option D, 8 by 15. So here, A's 1 day's work, that is equal to 1 by 15, and B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 20. So A plus B's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So that is equal to 7 by 16. Then A plus B's 4 days work, that is equal to 7 by 16 into 4. So that is 7 by 15. Therefore, remaining work is equal to 1 minus 7 by 15. So that is equal to 8 by 15. $120. Then SP is equal to rupees 180. So profit percentage, that is equal to 16 divided by 120 into 100. That is 50%. That is your profit. Therefore, profit decreases by 30%. So we know cost price of 10 toys, that is equal to rupees 40. That is your CP of one toy, that is equal to rupees 4. And selling price of 8 toys, that is equal to rupees 35. That is SP of one toy, that is equal to rupees 35 divided by 8. So therefore gain is equal to 35 divided by 8 minus 4, that is 3 by 8. Then we have to find gain percentage. So that is equal to 3 by 8 divided by 4 into 100. That is equal to 9.375%. Our next question is that a dishonest merchant sells his grocery using weights 50% less than the true weights and makes a profit of 20%. Find his total gain percentage. So here let us consider 1 kilogram of grocery bag. Its actual weight is 85% of 1000 gram, that is 850 gram. So let the cost price of each gram be rupees 1. Then the CP of each bag, that is equal to rupees 850. And then SP of 1 kilogram of bag, that is equal to 120% of the true CP. Therefore, SP is equal to 120 divided by 100 into 1000, that is equal to rupees 1200. Next, we have to find the gain. So, gain is equal to 1200 minus 850, that is 350. Next, we have to find gain percentage. So, here we clear 350 divided by 850 into 100, that is equal to 41.17%. Start, it's important to note here that it is not 50% to be added to 5% to make it at a total of 20%. By 100 into 2500 plus 100 plus x divided by 100 into 2500. So that is equal to 120 divided by 100 into 5000. That implies x is equal to 35. Hence, if he makes a profit of 35% on the second, it comes to a total of 20% profit on the whole.